Hi, welcome to Lizbee kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a very famous South Indian dish, a raw banana stir fry. This is a very simple dish, very easy to prepare and which can be paired with rice and curd. So please watch the full video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification. So let us go through the video. We took 2 raw bananas for making this recipe. To avoid stains, rub some salt on palm. Now peel and chop the raw banana. Once you peel and chop the raw bananas, keep the chopped raw banana in water until used to prevent blackening. Add washed raw banana pieces to the cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 glass of water. Mix well. Close the cooker and cook for 1 whistle. Don't use big onions for making this stir fry. Here we took 10 to 12 shallots and 1 ball of garlic. Crush it well. Now the pressure is released. We can open the cooker. The measure of water is perfect. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When the coconut oil is hot, add crushed shallots and garlic. Add a handful of curry leaves. Fry until golden color. Now it turned golden color. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and half teaspoon of chili powder. You can add chili powder according to your spice level. Saute for few seconds in low flame until the raw smell goes off. Add cooked raw banana. Mix well in medium flame and saute for few seconds. This stir fry is very tasty with rice and curd. This is a perfect method of making raw banana stir fry. So please make it try and let me know how it came out. Thank you.